In this session, we're going to have a look at how you might use the camera capability within ScreenHaven. Okay, so let me launch ScreenHaven here and click on the Publish button because it's what we want to publish here. And I'll just choose a group to publish to. Okay, we'll publish it up to the demo group. And we'll come in here and click on Share. And now you can choose what to share. Now you can choose things like the whole screen, the whiteboard or whatever. Further down here, if you're running on a Macintosh, you'll have an option here called the camera, and that's for the iSight camera. If you're on Windows or Linux, unfortunately that doesn't become an option. We'd like to see if we can add other cameras in generically, but at the moment it's just for the Macintosh and only for the built-in iSight cameras. Okay, now when we choose it, what's going to happen is instead of sharing the desktop or something physically on your screen at all, instead it's going to switch the camera on your computer, and the little green light should show up on the panel, the bezel of your computer, of your screen, if you've got an iSight built in, to show that the camera is switched on. And whatever is showing on through your camera, it's going to show you in the preview here and send snapshots of that up to the server. Now you may well go, why do I want to take snapshots? Well, the main reason is that you may be conversing with someone and over the phone, and you just don't get the body language. And what this will enable you to do is send up your image from time to time. You can also hold things up to the camera if you need, if you've got particular products. Now it's not continuous video like Skype. If you want to use Skype, then go and use Skype. The advantage here is that you can have a one-to-many video snapshot show. That isn't possible with many other products, or you're limited to the number of people who can actually view that presentation, whereas here, with your pictures going up every 15 seconds or periodically, as many people as you want can subscribe to those series of photos as you want. So let's see how it works. We click on whole screen here and choose camera. I can see the green light has come on in my bezel, and there we go. We now have the image showing up on the screen here. We can resize as we need to see exactly what it looks like. And if we come down here and go start, then what's going to happen is that image is going to be sent up. Now it's giving us a warning saying that any screenshots that we take while we're logged in as demo, in this case it's just showing my picture, so that's not so much of a problem, are going to be sent up to the cloud. Now that's a warning whenever it's turned on, because if you did show parts of your screen which had confidential information on it, you don't want other demo users to be able to see that. Okay, so it's sending up, you can see the little progress wheel down the bottom here, it's sending up information to the cloud every 15 seconds. So if I come along here to, pretending to be somebody who's going to be connecting on, click on view, then we should see the images, there we are, that this is what people will see, anybody who's logged in as demo. There are some other images that people have done, and all of those are being shown up onto the cloud. Now it should vary so that more pictures. Here we go. There's the change automatically. In fact, because we scrolled right to the end, each time it finds a new screenshot, there's the new one going up, and we should see. I can go. There you go. There's a new one coming down. You could see it slightly move. So we should now have a range of these different pictures. There we go. Now I'll come over and pause this so that we don't send up more images. We'll see that last one come down. There we go. That's it there. So you can have a presentation, a teleconference where people are able to see, maybe it's a conference room, a conference table, maybe they can see an individual speaker, they can hear you over the phone, they can get an idea of the atmosphere of wherever you are through a series of snapshots, and you're not limited with some other technologies that can share your image to maybe 5 or 10 people at most. With ScreenHaven you can have this live presentation going on with potentially dozens or hundreds of people connecting in and downloading the screens. And of course those same images are able to be saved when we can save as a picture. As the pro user, we can save as a picture or pictures, or save the whole thing as a movie, including the text there. Okay, so that's how we use the camera function within ScreenHaven. I hope you find it useful, so make use of it please. Thank you and goodbye.